This video talks you through the suggested method for installing Maybe Hire's BeamBridge. There is a general requirement for one lift supervisor, one slinger signaller, and one operative, and a crane lift plan designed by an appointed person. A mobile crane suitable to install the bridge and crane pad capable of withstanding the imposed loads stated on the lift plan. Prior to the installation of the BeamBridge, ensure that either timber or concrete foundations have been designed by a competent engineer and installed. Loosely place seating strips onto prepared foundations with the pre-drilled holes facing outwards. Once seating strips are positioned, place rubber bearing pads on top, followed by affixed bearings at one end and sliding bearings at the other. BeamBridge units will typically arrive to site with parapets already fitted. To enable suitable access to the BeamBridge units and attach chains, a risk assessment must be conducted to cover individual site requirements. Open lifting eye covers and connect 4-leg lifting chain slings to the designated lifting points. Make sure to attach a guideline and lift the first unit from the delivery vehicle and place onto firm and dry ground. Remove the 4-leg lifting chain slings. Open lifting eye covers on the bridge deck and attach lifting chain slings to the second unit in the same way as the first. Now lift the second unit with pre-assembled parapets and place onto the seating arrangement on the foundations. Ensure the dowel sits correctly into the locating hole on the underside of the BeamBridge unit. Once in position, connect a safety harness to the safety line to enable access to the BeamBridge deck. Now remove the 4-leg lifting chain slings and repeat for all units until each one is installed. In order to install in the correct sequence, now lift the first unit without parapets next. This will form the central section of the BeamBridge. Once the second unit is installed, lift the final unit with parapets from the delivery vehicle and place in its correct position. Holding down bolts are now post-drilled into the foundation and fixed in place. Quantity and specification of such should be designed by a competent engineer. Ensure that all lifting eye covers are now replaced on each of the BeamBridge units. Ballast walls can now be constructed, followed by approach ramps to enable vehicles to enter and exit the BeamBridge. The BeamBridge is now ready for use. This video is to be viewed in conjunction with the detailed written user guide, which is available to download from our website.